In this video, I explain what social psychology is and why it is important. You will understand how our behavior is influenced by other people. Social psychology deals with the question of how people's behavior, thoughts, and feelings are influenced by their social environment. It examines how groups and interpersonal relationships shape us. The effects of norms and values on our actions are also a topic. Social psychology helps us better understand why we react the way we do in certain situations. We are often influenced by other people, even if we are not always aware of it. This influence can happen through direct communication, or through group opinions. Unconscious factors like facial expressions or gestures of others also play a role. In many cases, we choose to imitate the behavior of others because we want to feel like part of a group. Groups often have a strong influence on the behavior of their members. In groups, we tend to orient ourselves around certain norms and rules. The behavior of the group as a whole also affects how individual members behave. People often take on a specific role in groups, which determines their behavior. Conformity describes adapting to the opinions or behavior of the majority. Obedience means following instructions or commands, even if one might not personally believe they are right. Both phenomena are important for understanding how people react in social situations. They show how much we can be influenced by others, even if it goes against our own beliefs. Prejudices are premature judgments about other people, based on their membership in a certain group. These prejudices can lead to discrimination, where people are treated unfairly. Social psychologists study how and why such prejudices arise. They also research how to reduce them, and create a more just society. People often form groups with which they identify, which is called group identity. These groups are divided into in-groups, one's own group, and out-groups, other groups. We tend to see members of our own group more positively and devalue other groups. This can lead to conflicts and misunderstandings between different groups. Aggression refers to hostile behavior aimed at harming someone. Social psychologists investigate how such behaviors develop and what social factors influence them. Frustration, stress, or peer pressure often play a role. The media and society can also influence people's behavior in aggressive situations. Social perception is about how we perceive ourselves and others in social situations. Our perception is often shaped by prejudices or personal experiences. This can lead to misjudging people or developing biases. Social psychology helps us understand how to better manage our perception in order to judge more fairly. Media and advertising have a major influence on our behavior and our attitudes. They shape how we see ourselves and others, and what we consider important. They often use specific psychological tricks to motivate us to act. Social psychology shows how these mechanisms work, and how we can protect ourselves from being unconsciously influenced.